Marvin Moon.
As he wakes up, rubs his eyes, smells something tasty, what a surprise. Today he says we're gonna cook. Let's grab our spoon and recipe book. Roll the dough, nice and flat, spin it round, imagine that. Spread the sauce, red and bright, add some cheese, oh what delight. Pizza, pizza, yum, 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 in my belly, here it comes. Tasty toppings, lots to see, tomatoes, mushrooms, broccoli. Bubbles pop, twisty noodles drop, drop, drop. Add the sauce, stir it well, now it has that yummy smell. Pasta, pasta, slurp it up, eat it from a spoon or cup. Long and short or twisty too, every kind is good for you. Teddy Bear comes into play, let's cook lunch the fun Teddy way. He adds some olives, gives a grin, now the pizza can begin. You choose cheese, I'll pick corn, we can mix from dusk till morn. Pineapple, yes, or maybe not, make it tasty, make it hot. Pizza painting, colors splash, making art that's gone in a flash. Circle stars and hearts with peas, veggie sprinkles if you please. Swirl the noodles round your fork, pasta zoo from Rome to York. Butterflies and wheels go fast, let's eat slowly, make it last. Pasta party, dance around, stomp your feet and twirl the ground. Macaroni arms go flap, 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 then spaghetti hands go clap, clap, clap. Dishes stacked up, oh my my, let's wash them clean and let them dry. Teddy scrubs while Azi sings, washing plates and forks and things. Now we're full, it's time to chill. Cuddles warm and tummy still. Let's sit down, the day was great. Pizza and pasta on my plate. Pizza dreams and pasta stars, flying high in food-filled cars. As he yawns, says night-night too, with Teddy Bear beneath skies blue.